In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DNS probe finished no internet in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Google Chrome error. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and tap in CMD. Right click, run as administrator. And here you want to type these following commands. So first one, ipconfig /renew, and press enter. Then you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Then you want to type in ipconfig /release and press enter. And the last thing, type in nets winsock reset and press enter. After you finish this, you can close this down. Then you want to go here, type in control panel, go here, go to network and internet, go to network and sharing, find your internet and click on it, go to properties, go down here and find internet protocol version 4, click properties, enable, use the following DNS and type in 888888844 and press OK. Press OK and close this down. Then you want to go to device manager. Over here you want to find network adapters. So find your internet. This one is for wireless Wi-Fi, this one is for cable Ethernet. So if you're using cable, you want to update this one. If you're using just wireless Wi-Fi, you want to update this. Click update driver, and here you can update it by going here and choosing the most recent one and click next, and this will update it. After that, restart your computer and your issue is fixed.